Another Formula One team undergoing a significant rebranding is the Red Bull sister squad, now renamed Visa Cash App RB. While the name Visa Cash App RB might have raised a few eyebrows and sparked some laughter, don't be fooled. This team could be the dark horse of 2024. Competitors might soon find their worst fears becoming a reality, as Visa Cash App RB gears up to impact the racing scene. Let's delve deeper into the details of the VCA RB01 car. In the dynamic world of Formula One, team transformations are becoming increasingly common as sponsors vie for prominence on the racing circuit. Visa Cash App RB, formerly known as AlphaTauri, is stepping into a new era with a competitive overhaul of its identity. Despite the rebranding, the team's CEO, Peter Bayer, emphasizes the historical solid roots it shares with Red Bull, tracing back to the acquisition of the Minardi team. Over the years, the team evolved from Toro Rosso to Scuderia AlphaTauri, reflecting its close ties to the Red Bull brand. Now, with a total refresh of its identity, including new leadership and a renewed focus on independence, Visa Cash App RB is poised to make its mark on the Formula One circuit. What's particularly intriguing about the team's transformation is its technical evolution. Visa Cash App RB has aligned more closely with its parent company Red Bull, sharing engineering expertise and resources to enhance performance. This closeness also extends geographically, with the team relocating some facilities to the Milton Keynes complex, fostering greater collaboration and innovation. On the technical front, Visa Cash App RB's adoption of Red Bull's suspension components signifies a significant shift in strategy. By incorporating successful designs from the RB19, the team aims to improve stability and aerodynamic efficiency with the VCARB01. The implementation of pull rod actuated springs in the front suspension further demonstrates the team's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. The Visa Cash App RB VCARB01 car reflects a blend of evolution and innovation, drawing inspiration from its predecessor, the AT04, while incorporating new elements to enhance performance on the track. One noticeable evolution from the AT04 lies in the design of the nose. While it maintains a similar form, it has been subtly sculpted into a spoon-shaped dip at the wing's center. This modification optimizes airflow and aerodynamic efficiency, providing the car with better handling and stability during high-speed maneuvers. Another area of focus is the side pods, which retain their familiar shape. However, a significant change lies in the inlet design, which now resembles the Red Bull aesthetic. The underbiting leading edge enlarges the undercut, enhancing the car's overall aerodynamic profile and downforce generation. A notable inclusion in the VCARB01 is the late-season rear wing design, featuring an exposed tip upper element. This design trend, prevalent in the previous season, has been integrated into the car to improve rear wing performance. Adding a small bracket near the front corners of the upper element ensures compliance with FIA regulations, while maximizing vorticity at the wing's tips. Despite the similarities to its predecessor, the VCARB01 promises new aerodynamic surfaces and developments for the 2024 season. The VCARB01 maintains its own identity while sharing genes with the RB19. Even though Visa Cash App RB, formerly known as AlphaTauri, ended up in the lower half of the constructors' standings in 2023, it could do better this time. RB has something special. It can learn directly from the RB19, a car that won titles. Unlike other teams that must interpret the strengths of last year's title-winning car through photographs and imagination, RB can draw directly from the source. The RB19's prowess in low-speed corners towards the end of last season has been identified as a critical area of strength. Maintaining this trait will be crucial for RB, ensuring a consistent range of performances compared to its sister team and preventing exposure at challenging circuits like Singapore. The close collaboration between Red Bull and RB has drawn scrutiny, particularly from McLaren, which has been vocal against the alliance. McLaren fears that two teams operating at the same level could hinder the progress of competitors striving to ascend through the ranks. But RB doesn't see why it can't make significant improvements. After all, McLaren made some big jumps last year, so RB knows it's possible to move up. Besides improving their car, RB has made some changes to their team personnel. Last month, VC ARB made significant signings to propel the team closer to reaching the top of the midfield. The trio of crucial appointments brings a wealth of experience and expertise to the team, setting the stage for a promising future. Alan Permain, with over 3 decades of experience at Enstone, brings a wealth of knowledge from his tenure with Alpine, Renault, Lotus and Benetton. His departure from Alpine as sporting director last season marked a significant transition for him, and a new chapter with VC ARB. Tim Goss, slated to become the Chief Technical Officer in October, boasts an impressive resume. His previous role as the FIA's Technical Director and extensive stint at McLaren from 1990 to 2018 positions him as a valuable asset. Goss has worked alongside legendary figures in Formula One, including Lewis Hamilton and Ayrton Senna, contributing to their championship victories. Completing the trio is Guillaume Catalani, who was appointed Deputy Technical Director. With over 15 years of experience at Lotus, McLaren and Red Bull Technology, Catalani brings a deep understanding of aerodynamics and vehicle performance to VC ARB. His primary focus will be setting performance targets and driving technical innovation within the team. The team is poised for growth, despite VC ARB's modest track record, having secured only 2 wins in its history, including the 2008 and 2020 Italian Grand Prix. However, team principal Laurent Mekies acknowledges that progress will take time, especially after a late surge last season that saw VC ARB narrowly miss out on 8th place. With a more stable driver lineup featuring Daniel Ricciardo and Yuki Tsunoda, VC ARB aims to leverage their diverse skill sets for competitive advantage. Tsunoda's rapid progression, technical understanding, and Ricciardo's extensive racing experience and tactical insights creates an environment where both drivers can thrive and push each other to excel. While Ricciardo's pedigree is undeniable, Tsunoda's trajectory in 2023 showcased promise and resilience. The team came tantalizingly close to seizing 7th place in the championship from Williams, with Tsunoda's efforts in the finale adding to the intensity. While VC ARB's strategy appears promising on paper, its success ultimately hinges on execution and performance on the track. So what do both drivers have to say about the VC ARB 01? Tsunoda expressed optimism about the improvements in the VC ARB 01, the team's latest car, which signifies a leap forward from their 8th place finish in the constructors' standings last season. Reflecting on his initial experiences with the car, Tsunoda noted, "It's feeling great on the track. The first run with the VC ARB 01 went all smooth." He highlighted the notable strides in performance compared to the previous car. He expressed satisfaction with the car's improved handling and overall upbeat feel. Echoing Tsunoda's sentiments, Ricciardo also shared his enthusiasm about returning to the track after the Christmas break and the sense of belonging that comes with being back with Red Bull. He emphasized the team's transition into a more independent entity, stating, "It's a time where we're no longer seen as just a Red Bull kind of junior team. It's a team that's standing on its own 2 feet." Jody Egginton, the technical director, articulated the team's aspirations to build on the momentum from the previous season's strong finish. He emphasized the goal of competitiveness in the midfield, aiming to extract the maximum performance from the car consistently and contend for points in every race. VC ARB is gearing up for a strong run in 2024, and Daniel Ricciardo's goal says a lot about their plans. He wants the team to regularly finish in the top 5, which means they're aiming to compete with big teams like Mercedes, McLaren, Ferrari and Aston Martin. Undoubtedly, VC ARB is in an excellent spot to challenge the top midfield teams in 2024, while Williams and Alpine are close competitors, even aiming for Aston Martin with its RB19-like car. It seems pretty far-fetched for VC ARB. With determination and intelligent moves, VC ARB is ready for the upcoming season. As RB looks forward, the upcoming year marks a crucial period marked by the aspirations of its drivers and the team's endeavor to utilize Red Bull's expertise to propel its progress. Looking ahead, RB is entering a crucial year. The drivers aim high, and the team wants to use Red Bull's expertise to improve. They've got a new VC ARB 01 car which shows they're serious about winning in 2024. With their familiar blue colors, RB is ready to turn their efforts into victories on the track this season.